Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to check your comment history on your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have commented recently on any videos on your Instagram or on any reel, then I will show you how to find your recent or old comment history. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app, tap on Instagram profile icon. After that, in top right side corner, you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that. After that, you can see here your activity. You have to just tap on this. In this, you will find comments. If you are recently liked any reel or any video, then you will find your likes here. You can see comments. Tap on this. Here you will find all your old or recent comment history. That's it guys. So in this way you can check or find comment history on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.